Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fonts into CapCut. So download the font first from thefont.com or any website you want. Go to the downloads button and open up the font. It's going to open in your files, so you're going to basically select the file to unzip it. Then you're going to select the font file, press share, and you're going to then press the CapCut button here, and you're going to select import to CapCut. If it doesn't show, you can just select like a project, go to text and go to add text here, and then you're going to go to fonts here. Hold on, let me just add text below. Then go to the font section, and then there's an add font button here. You're going to just select the plus button, and you're going to open up that font file here, and you're going to select open, and it's going to be imported in your CapCut like so. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!